Hello everyone, welcome back to Art of Decor, where style meets comfort and elegance becomes part of everyday living. In today's video, we'll take you on a journey through stunning luxury modern kitchen design ideas that blend functionality with unmatched aesthetics. Whether you're redesigning your kitchen or just dreaming about your perfect space, you're about to discover what makes a luxury kitchen not only beautiful but truly life enhancing. Let's begin. A luxury kitchen is more than just a cooking space, it's the heart of your home, a statement of your lifestyle, and a place where memories are created. The key to luxury design lies in details, clean lines, premium materials, smart technology, and seamless layouts that enhance both beauty and function. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where white marble countertops with golden veining catch the sunlight, creating a sense of warmth and richness. Paired with custom designed cabinetry in satin white featuring brushed gold handles or even handleless curved drawers, every corner radiates elegance. Now let's talk about one of the strongest design trends: curved furniture and kitchen islands. Gone are the days of harsh angles. Modern luxury kitchens now feature gracefully curved islands with underglow LED lighting, smooth edges, and integrated seating. These organic shapes bring softness to the space, making your kitchen feel welcoming and ultra modern. Next, lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Pendant lights in matte gold or crystal glass, hung over islands or counters, add a sense of grandeur. Under cabinet lighting not only creates ambience but also enhances visibility for food prep. You can even add smart lighting systems that adjust brightness and tone throughout the day. And what's a luxury kitchen without top of the line appliances? Think built in ovens, steam cookers, wine fridges, and touchscreen controls, all designed to make your kitchen smarter and your life easier. Brands like Miele, Gaggenau, and Sub Zero offer appliances that combine sleek design with cutting edge performance. Let's talk color. While white and gold remain timeless, luxury kitchens are also embracing matte black and gold, stone textures, and natural wood accents for added warmth and sophistication. When you combine neutral tones with reflective surfaces like high gloss cabinetry and marble floors, your kitchen gains depth and elegance. Now, let's explore the inspiring benefits of investing in a luxury modern kitchen. First, you gain long term value. High end materials and thoughtful layouts not only look good but last longer, saving you money on repairs and upgrades over time. Second, luxury kitchens are designed for efficiency. Everything from the layout to the storage options is optimized to support your cooking, entertaining, and cleaning habits. Third, there's the benefit of emotional well being. A beautiful kitchen uplifts your mood, inspires creativity, and encourages more time spent cooking healthy meals or hosting family and friends. Fourth, it adds real estate value. A luxury kitchen can significantly increase the value of your home and appeal to high end buyers if you ever decide to sell. And finally, it's about self expression. Your kitchen isn't just a functional room, it's a reflection of your lifestyle, your creativity, and your taste. Whether it's the warmth of brushed gold fixtures, the elegance of natural stone surfaces, or the clean, seamless feel of handleless cabinetry, every detail should tell your story. Through lighting, textures, finishes, and flow, you're shaping a space that resonates with who you are and how you want to feel every day. Before we wrap up, here's a quick and valuable tip. If you're planning your own luxury kitchen, begin with a clear vision. Define your color palette, choose quality over quantity, and don't underestimate the power of well designed lighting zones. Even a simple pendant or under cabinet glow can elevate the entire atmosphere. Consider working with a professional designer to bring harmony between style and function. And remember, timeless design choices always outlast short term trends because real luxury isn't loud, it's smart, elegant, and enduring. So, whether you're drawn to the clean beauty of white and gold, the sophistication of black marble, or the gentle curves of minimalist design, just know your dream kitchen is possible and it starts with inspiration. Thank you for watching Art of Decor. If this video sparked ideas or brought beauty to your day, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly home design inspirations. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay inspired.